Hello students, shall we see a small question? If tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3, find sine theta. Okay, we know that what is tan theta? Opposite side divided by adjacent side, which is equal to minus 4 by 3. So we can say that opposite side is equal to minus 4 and adjacent side is equal to 3. So in a triangle, we got a opposite side and adjacent side. So it is very easy for us to calculate the hypotenuse by using Pythagoras relations. So by applying Pythagoras relations, we will get a root of minus 4 square plus 3 square, that gives 9 plus 16, and root of 25 is equal to 5. So sine theta, we know that opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Okay, that means opposite side is already given as minus 4 here, and we have got hypotenuse as 5. So the value of sine theta is minus 4 by 5. So we got the answer, and we need further more explanation to understand the problem very clearly. Explanation on sine. What is the sign of this and which quadrant it is going to come? Tan theta is equal to minus 4 by 3 is negative, which implies us that theta is either in quadrant 2 or in quadrant 4. Okay, because tan theta is negative in quadrant 2 and quadrant 4. Suppose theta is in quadrant 2, then sine theta, we know that the second quadrant sine theta is always positive. So it means that sine theta is equal to plus 4 by 5. That means adjacent side would be minus 3, and this opposite side is plus 4 by 5. Okay. Then if theta is in quadrant 4, that means quadrant 4 sine theta is less than 0 or negative, we can say. So sine theta is equal to minus 4 by 5 we have to take. And we used opposite side minus 4 by 5, minus 4, and the adjacent side will become plus 3. So the final answer is sine theta can be plus or minus 4 by 5 depending on the quadrant. Okay, that is the final answer.